I'm Reprops, and today I'm making a mountain base for the Zaku 2 F2 that I painted. For this build, you will need these household tools, equipment, supplies, and materials. The first thing I did was glue together a bunch of pieces of installation foam to make the rocky base. I just cut up a bunch of pieces into a triangle and then glued on a bunch of small pieces into all the nooks and crannies and parts just to make it look more organic than just a chunk of foam or cardboard. I then painted a base coat of gray just to get in there so that I could see any spots that I needed to fill in with hot glue or foam. And then I brushed on some dirt after putting a layer of wood glue down so that it all sticks together. After this was done, I went through and did a layer of watered down gray paint just to seep into the cracks and so that you could see the brown through. And then I went through with a bunch of different colored paints, brown, green, gray, dark black, just to give it an organic look rather than having a one or two color I went in with some green and tan paints to make a vegetation area around the whole thing so that it doesn't look like just a plain rock. I then hooked up a wire to my Zaku, and overall I think this base turned out pretty good. It's one of my better bases by far, and the painted Zaku definitely looks cool on top of that. If you guys want to see more of my builds, be sure to like and subscribe. See ya.